Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade ETFs on Fidelity. First, understand that exchange-traded funds, or ETF, are investment funds that hold assets like stocks or bonds and trade on exchanges just like individual stocks. Fidelity provides a robust platform where you can trade most ETFs online with zero commissions. To get started, you will need to have a funded brokerage account ready for your investments. Before you trade, thorough research is key. Fidelity offers powerful tools like the ETF Evaluator, allowing you to screen for funds based on your specific investment goals. You can compare up to 5 ETFs simultaneously, examining their historical performance and underlying assets. Always review the expense ratio and top holdings to ensure the ETF aligns with your strategy. Once you have chosen an ETF, placing your trade is straightforward. Log into your Fidelity account, select the desired account, and enter the ETF's ticker symbol. You can choose to buy a specific dollar amount, even as little as $1 or a certain number of shares. Decide on an order type, like a market order for immediate execution or a limit order for a specific price. Always preview your order before confirming. After placing your trade, managing your ETF investments is an ongoing process. Regularly check your portfolio's performance on Fidelity's platform to ensure it meets your expectations. Consider rebalancing your holdings periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation and risk level. Also, be aware of the tax implications associated with buying and selling ETFs to optimize your overall returns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.